Hi guys, if you're watching this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you about how to find value of root 2 up to 5 decimal points. If you want to find it, first write 2 next to it 10 decimal points and make them into pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 5 pairs and 1, 2, which is like without any pair. So find a number which is near to which is a perfect square and near to 2. So obviously it's 1. So how do we get 1? It's 1 multiplied into 1. So here 1, here 1. So we get here 1. We should subtract it. So we get here there will be 1. So if you get a number here, we should bring one pair down. So we get these 2 zeros down. So now if you get 2 zeros down, and next step is we should add these 2 numbers over here. This and this. We get here is 2. And here we should keep a point, because we are gonna calculate the number value after this point. And now what we should do is we should find a number which, if you take this 2 as 20, we should add with some number. If you take this 2 as 20, you should add with some number. If you multiply with the number, that some number x, so we should get the value near to 100, or in some cases we will get 100 but not the value of root 2. So here now we should use substitution method. So if we first we will go with 1 means 21 into 1, we get 21. Like that, if you go on, like it's 100, so it's like a factor of, like it's a multiple of 5. So we can take 25 into 5, right? And 5, 2, 12, 125, which is like far from 100. So we need the predecessor of it. So 24 into 4. If you take it, it means 196 we get. So you should keep 4 over here, and next here 96. And now you must subtract them. You get 4. Then you should bring again 2 zeros down. If you bring 2 zeros down, and next, and this 4 we wrote here, right? The 4 we should write even here. So here you saw this multiplication, right? So it's like that. So 24 here, 4 here. So if you multiply these two, this 4 and 24, we get 96 over here. And like that, 1 here, 1 here. If you multiply this 1, we get 1 over here. We should do like this. Okay. Now we kept the point over here because we are doing the numbers of which is after the point. So now 400. So now we should do is, like we add here 1 plus 1, we got 2. So now we should get 24 plus 4, which is 28. And we should find some number over here. So it should be if you multiply it with the number like last time, you see, this time it will be 280 plus x whole into x must be near to 400. So first we take 2, because 2 into 2 is 4. So 282 into 2, which is 4, 6, 1, 5, which is 564, which is far from 400. So we should take the before number, which is obviously 1. 281 into 1, which is 281. So we should write here 281. and now subtract it. We get 9, 1, 1, and we should bring the other two zeros over here. We get 11,900, and the number we got here is 1. So here we should write 1, here also another 1. Don't forget to mention those, or you will never get the value of root 2. As I experienced it a couple of times, we may get some wrong value, or sometimes due to fluke we can get right, but that's very rare cases. So 281 plus 1, 282 into something is near to 11,900. So first we go with 5, because zeros are at the last. We can take 5 as first, simply like for our convenient purpose, so we can find the nearest value. So 2825, 5 5 25, 2 1 1 4 14, which is far from this 11,900. Now we should take the principal like we did with the 24 thingy. So this time 2824. If we take 2824 into 4, 4 4 16, 2 4 8 9, 8 4 32, 2 4 8, 11,296. So which is pretty much near to 11,900. That's the closest value we can get to 11,900. So now we should write here 4 and here 4, as obviously many of them know that the value of root 2 will be 1.414 and continuously go on. So but many of them didn't stop to look how to get it. So I am now showing it to you. 11,296, and if we subtract it, we get 4 0 6, and we should bring another 2 zeros over down. So we kept here 4. Oh, there also 4. So we found 3 decimal points. Now remaining is 2 more. So we should add 4 with it. We get 282. So you guys saw last time like until 2828. So like I didn't find out it was some problem in my device. So next, if we substitute and see, if we go with 3, first if we multiply here with 3, 2 into 3, we get 6. Okay, 6 is correct. But if you multiply 2 into 8, we get 24. So 6 plus 2, we get 8, which is so big number. So we should take 2, which is smaller than the value of 3. If we substitute, we get 56564. And next, again like last methods, so we get here 2, and now we should add 2, and we get 28284. So now if we want to substitute with 28284, like last time we saw, first we try with 3. With 3 into 2 6, which is pretty big. We need 3 lakh. So 2 into 2 4, which is also big. So only we have is 1. So 1. So if you multiply this whole thing with 1, we get 2,82,000 and 841. So now we must subtract. So we are gonna get a fifth decimal. 1.4141. We got a fifth decimal. So if we subtract here 9 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 0 0 1, which is a big number. So if you want, you can continue like this, or just stop it until here.